Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren Kenamoto and this is DIY with Lauren K. Today is a continuation of painting the master bedroom. Yesterday we did the hallway, around the shower, half of the closet. Today I'm going to finish closet, do the restroom, do the rest of the master bedroom. If you missed the previous video, go ahead and watch that. Let's get started. How you paint around it. I feel like painting window seals really make the room. Oh Miguel's gonna kill me. Nobody tell him. I'm just smearing it everywhere. I need a forever camera person. Got my protector on. Like I was saying before I really interrupted myself by putting paint all over my camera, I feel like the window seal really made the room brighter and beautiful. You want to make sure you have a good amount of paint on here. Go on the crease, just kind of go back and forth like that. And with this type of work, it's just really hard to get the lighting perfect. There's just no way. There's that side, there's that. I'm gonna do the bottom. I feel like this really puts together the room. It's like one of my favorite things to do. I usually do it first, but I just didn't. I really like this brush. I did mention what kind of brush this was in previous video. Can you guys tell what I'm looking at? It's so pretty. My work is done. I have finished the restroom. Finally, it only took me 25 hours. I'm totally kidding. My shower is in the middle of the bedroom. I'm going to take care of this entire room as if it were a restroom. Since the shower is in the middle and the windows are all the way over there, I'm going to protect everything from mold and things like that. It covers 400 square feet. We are doing 300 square foot master bedroom. Previous video, I did a detailed explanation how to paint. Need more information on how much paint should be on your roller, how the strokes should be on the wall, things like that. Go check that one out. I'm so excited that I'm finally working on the master bedroom. I just painted the window seals. I go around and paint these areas. My husband's gonna be home in an hour, planning to be done before then. We could take the kids to the park, but they gotta clean up first because they made a disaster. I'm gonna use the 18-inch roller. the tip. You're gonna wanna just paint it. And normally what you wanna do is put glue tape on the floor, plastic or paper cardboard or something to protect the floor. I'm not, because I'm going to be removing the floor, and that's going to be another video. Stay tuned for that one. That's how you do a corner. Then you have the blue tape, pull it up, take it off once it's a little drier, not as soon as it's wet, because it might bleed down. But I'm just gonna do that to the rest of the hallway, the closet. So what are you guys doing?
We're doing class.
Oh, who are you?
Sustainer.
You're Mrs. Steiner.
And she is the little kid of the class.
Love you, boo-boos. Love you.
Mommy, when I'm hungry, can you do a snack for me?
Want a snack?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make food right now. I'm gonna make beans with shredded chicken and fried tortilla. So, AKA, we're gonna make tostadas. Well, this happened. So,